Good morning class. Now today we will start the next component of the staffing. In the previous videos I have completed the two components of the staffing. First one is the recruitment, how we can do the recruitment. After that we discuss the process of the selection. Now today we will start the third component of the staffing components, that is training and development. Training means equipping the employees with the required skills to perform the job. Or maybe you can say the candidates are sent for training so that they can perform the job in the expected manner. Now, this is the meaning of a training. Now, the meaning of the development. Development refers to overall growth of the employee. So, exactly there is a little bit difference between a training and the development. Development focuses on personal growth and the successful employee's development, and development is a much wider concept as compared to the training, as training is only the one part of the development. Example, just like if an accountant is sent to the new software for accounting to prepare the books of account more fast and accurate, so this is called training. Whereas if he is sent for the orientation program to improve his motivational and conceptual skills, then this is called development. Okay, so in short, training is concerned with the teaching technical skills only, whereas development is concerned in teaching technical, human and conceptual skills. Okay, now let's start the training and the development benefits. Now, from the organization's point of view, benefits we are going to discuss, then we will discuss the benefits from the employee's point of view. Now first let's start the benefits of the training and development from organization's point of view. Now first one is reduced learning time. That means a trained employee takes less time in learning the job as compared to the untrained employee. So, as a result, there is a less wastage of resources and higher productivity in the organization. That means if the employee is trained, he will not take much time, he will not waste the resources and he will increase the productivity. Next one is the better performance. The performance of the trained employees is always better than the performance of the untrained employees, as in the training programs their qualities and capabilities are improved and employees get some experience of working on the job before they are actually assigned the job. So it improves their performance and their efficiency level. Obviously with the training the efficiency level will increase, so automatically it will be beneficial for the organization also. Now attitude formation. The training and the development aims at molding the employees so that they can develop positive attitude for the organization and to motivate them to be ready to take the initiative and results in better support and cooperation among the employees. Next one, helps in solving operational problems. That means like while performing the various activities in the organization faces various problems, just like problem of absenteeism, wastage of resources, lack of teamwork. So many problems are there which organization faces. So through the supervisory level training, these operational problems can be avoided or it can be removed in the organization, because supervisors are trained for improvement of superior subordinate relationship and for encouraging and motivating their subordinates. That means learning and the training not only improves the efficiency and the productivity of the employee, but it reduces the problems in the organizations also, because supervisors are trained to coordinate between the relationship of the superior and subordinate. Next one, managing manpower need. See, some organizations have specialized technique of production and the ready staff is not available. So in that case, the organizations hire untrained people and train them with the required skills according to the need of the organization and by training they solve long-term problems of the manpower requirement. Last one, helps to adapt changes. Training always helps the employees to adapt the changes in the organization because they are trained according to the environment of the organization. So training is useful for the organization's point of view. These are the benefits. First of all, it will reduce the learning time because if the person has taken the training, he will take less time to understand the rules and the regulations of the organization and how to operate the work. Second one, better performance. Obviously, if the employee is trained, his efficiency and the productivity level will improve. Attitude formation, that means the employees are trained and they are ready to take the initiative. They are always ready for the organization and it results in the better support. Helps in the solving operational problems. With the training, these people superiors are trained to handle the problem of the organization, to create the coordination between the superiors and the subordinates. Managing manpower need, that means sometimes the organizations hire the untrained people, but with the help of the training they take out the best use of those employees. Help to adapt changes, trained person can easily adapt to changes in the organization. Now the next one, from employee's point of view. First is better career option. Better career option, that means improved skill and knowledge due to training bring better career options for the employees, because now if the employee has got a good training, he will get the more career options in the future also. Next one, earning more. Obviously, improvement in the efficient performance of the employees helps the employees to earn more, because with the help of the training, that person will become more efficient and his productivity is increased. So by showing their more productivity and more efficiency, they will get the more benefits. Boost up the morale of employees, that means training increases the satisfaction and morale of employees. Last one, less chances of accidents. Training makes employees more efficient so that there are the less chances of the accidents.